Have you been on the Drake plane?
Air Drake?
Yeah.
Changing my nigga, cause I'm not.
Have you been on the Drake plane?
Air Drake?
Yeah, Air Drake.
Yeah, it's amazing.
It's crazy.
Amazing.
Damn.
Yeah, it's like
What's the craziest shit you done seen?
Heated seats in the bathroom.
I don't know about on the plane, but every bathroom in his house has heated seats, and every bathroom in his house, when you walk up to the toilet, it opens and starts playing Tupac Hit 'Em Up. I swear to God, every time it's like, yeah, you fat motherfucker. Well, those might be two different songs, but every time the seat opens, Tupac starts. It's so annoying when you gotta take a shit.
What the fuck?
Because it just keeps looping.
So you took a shit in his crib?
I'm taking several. So many shits in his crib. Yeah, I'm taking too many shits in his crib.
Yo,
I'm trying to shit in every bathroom.
That should be fine. Like that should be on some shit. Like damn, I got like.
Yeah, you got so many bathrooms. I'm trying to shit in all of them. I'm probably like.
How much bathrooms you say you nigga got?
Too many.
Too many?
I think he has one. Every time you.
Have you been on the Drake plane?
Air Drake?
Yeah.